and welcome to section 3.4 for Econ 2 on the AQA exam board. Today we'll be looking at labour mobility, which can be split into geographical mobility and occupational mobility. I've discussed these two concepts in more detail in Econ 1, but it's always good to re-go over them. Let's first look at geographical immobility, or geographical mobility. Unemployment tends to be higher in the north of England as opposed to the south of England. And the south of England also has more opportunities compared to the north. So why don't unemployed individuals move from places where there are few jobs, i.e. the north, to places where there are plenty of jobs and greater job opportunities, i.e. the south? There are many reasons for this. One reason is the cost of moving. This includes literally the cost of moving all of your belongings from one location to another. Also, the cost of living can change between places. The cost of living in the south, i.e. London, is much more expensive than it is in the north. These higher costs of living come about due to higher house prices and rents. Food and transport also tends to be more expensive. The differences in the cost of living can create a barrier for individuals who want to move from one location to another. Geographical immobility can also result due to a lack of information. This can be a lack of information with relation to the jobs that are available in another location, or could be a lack of information about the accommodation that is available in another location. If individuals are not aware of the jobs that are available in another location or are unsure that there is accommodation available, it is less likely that they will move to the location where there are jobs. An improvement in the information available can increase geographical mobility. This is because workers can find jobs easier in another location and are able to move easier to another location. Another reason for geographical immobility is because of personal ties to friends and family. If an individual has a lot of family members and a lot of friends in a location, it is less likely that they will move from one location to another in order to either obtain a job or change their job. It may also be the case that these individuals have children in a local school or a partner who is employed in a firm in the current location. This makes it harder for individuals to move from one location to another. Labour mobility can also be split down into occupational mobility. Occupational immobility is where workers are unable to work in certain jobs because they do not possess the required skills. For example, a miner will probably not have the skills that would be required to work in a bank or an office. Occupational immobility is a big problem in relation to structural unemployment. The way to overcome occupational immobility is to train and retrain workers with the skills that local employers want.